Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Malaki ang naitutulong po ng turismo para makilala at dayuhin po ng mga turista ang ating pong bansa. Ito pong ating pong lugar. Kaya naman patuloy po ang kampanya ng probinsya ng Sorsogon sa kanila pong mga ipinagmamalaking pasyalan. Hindi ko pa napunta ng Sorsogon. Ha? Tingnan muna natin. Oh.
When you think of fine, crisp, milky white sand and Virgin Islands, there's nowhere else to go to but Sorsogon. Kilala ang probinsyang ito ng Bicol dahil sa world-class beaches, diverse marine ecology, and seafood dishes delicately prepared for your drooling pleasure.
Ang Sorsogon Province po ay isang masasabi kong unique destination. The people, the culture, the traditions, and the places itself. Meron kaming tinatawag na Nunun Syndrome. Lahat ay may superlative ang karamihan ng mga adjectives namin. Pag sinabi mong maganda, sa aming dialekto ay ito ay sinasabing magayununununon. Pag sinabi mong masarap, ito ay masiramununununon.
Dito sa Sorsogon makikita ang isa pang active volcano ng Kabikulan, ang Mount Bulusan. It stands 1.56 kilometers tall and has a base diameter of 15 kilometers. Nagtala na ito ng 18 historical eruptions kung saan ang latest activity ay nito lang nakaraang March 2, 2017. Nasa paanan naman ito ang bayan ng Irosin na nabiyayaan ng masaganang palayan. Tanaw ito mula sa Valley View Park na nagsisilbing view deck ng Mount Bulusan. Kaya naman patok dito ang iba't ibang uri ng rice cakes o kakanin tulad ng biko at suma na kalabasa.
Sorsogon is the most beautiful province in the world, okay? I mean, this place has everything that you can possibly wanna do. We've got volcanoes, we've got two. I mean, well, in the Bicol region there's 70-something. Okay? Because of the volcanoes, we've got super fertile soil, and that gives us all of our beautiful crops like pili, and anything grows well. And we've got hot springs, we've got cold springs, we've got waterfalls, I mean, rainforests, birds, highest biodiversity and seaweeds.
At literal na big ang isa sa mga pinaka-ipinagmamalaki ng Sorsogon pagdating sa local attractions, ang Gentle Giants ng Donsol. Whale shark o butanding ang tawag sa uri ng carnivorous fish na ito na lumalaking 18 hanggang 60 feet. It is the largest known species of fish in the world at swerte namang regular na napapadpad dito sa Donsol. Pero kung hindi naman makatsyempo ng butanding dahil off-season, huwag mag-alala dahil dito sa Donsol, great things also come in small packages. Pagsapit ng dilim, may experience nyo pa rin ang magical moment in Sorsogon through firefly watching.
Dito po sa amin, sa Ugod River, yung highlight po namin is firefly watching. Marami siyang groups na makita ka na naka-stay sa mangrove.
Amazing sa pakiramdam kapag nakita nyo ang sparkling fireflies ng Donsol to cap off a romantic night. Turismo rin ang nakatulong para mas makilala at dayuhin ng mga turista ang Bulusan Lake. One of the rehabilitation efforts of the province of Sorsogon on the conservation of Bulusan Volcano Natural Park.
Dito po sa BVNP, kasi co-management po yung tatlo, DNR, PAMBI, or the Department of Environmental Natural Resources Protected Area Management Board, and then yung isa, LGU Bulusan, and then kami po yung Agap Bulusan po, NGO. Bali po, we have the Preserve BNP. Yung Preserve, acronym po siya. Andun po yung lahat yung objectives and vision namin. So, Preserve stands for Participative Reforestation with Eco-Livelihood Support, Education, Research to Vitalize the Ecosystem of Bulusan Volcano Natural Park. So, we are more on the eco-livelihood and environmental protection.
It's beautiful. It's good preserved, and I think we were just saying that it's one of the few places in the Philippines where you can find the real rainforest. Yeah. So it looks healthy and green, and it's beautiful. Yeah, we had a great tour guide. She explained a lot. Yeah.
There's something for everyone looking for a great escape in Sorsogon. It's a combination of great destinations, rich culture, fantastic people, and food that suits your palate. Things that Sorsogon has and exudes naturally. Travel is so much better when it's so Sorsogon. Ngayong darating na linggo, alas 7 ng gabi sa iTravel Pinas.